How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we gotta do something to that little exhaust. I have the stock muffler, but the only thing, that one, it looks really small. It looks ugly. You see that right there? That doesn't look really good. Another option is to put my exhaust back on it, but that's too loud. This is a 4-cylinder automatic core, and you guys know how risey it sounds. I might do some modifications to that one to tone it down because it's way too loud, and for an automatic car like this one, it's not really good. But the thing is this, I want to do something because the whole car looks a lot better now, and the only thing on the exterior will be the exhaust. I might do some modifications later on to that one, but in the meantime I gotta do something to this one. So that's why I went to AutoZone and I picked this one. This is a DC exhaust tip. So what we're doing today, just the tip, baby, just the tip. And to be honest, the car, for some reason, the exhaust is tilted that way. I have to strap it. I have to do something right now to bring it this way a little bit more, because if we put this tip, it's gonna look like that. So I want to go that way, so I'm gonna find a way to push it to make it look a little bit better. I was debating on putting this tip on it because the car is already a Honda core, it's risey. A lot of people know this car for being risey, and with the sticker bump and everything that I done to it, it doesn't help. So I was debating. I was thinking about this for like a week, but I finally decided to do it. Anyways, it's just a tip. I can remove it and just leave the stock exhaust on it. But to be honest, this thing is just awful, ugly. It's heavy. That's why I had to do some other modifications to my other exhaust. But if you look down there, the whole exhaust is the aftermarket one. I have a test pipe, headers, down pipe, mid pipe. I have everything in there all the way to the back. And on the back, I have the muffler, the stock one. This is really heavy. It's not helping. And guys, this episode is not sponsored. I pay for this with my own money. I don't know, guys. I think it's gonna look really risey, but I'm gonna have it in there. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. What do you guys think right there? And if you look from the top, it's coming out just a little bit. I think it's perfect right there. So I have a jack right now underneath just to see how it's gonna look. And this is still loose. You just have 3 little bolts, one in there, one in there, and one in there. And this is not the best way to fix a muffler, but I don't have any other way right now. I'm just trying to put this one for now. If I don't like it, I can remove it. Okay, children, it's done. It doesn't look the way I want it. I wish it was straight, or at least shooting a little bit that way. It would be a lot better. But if you know, a lot of cars, sport cars, and many cars, they have exhaust tips, right? So why not put one on my car? So let's make an example. Nissan GTR. It has a nice exhaust, and it has exhaust tips. There you have it, guys. Just the tip. It looks a lot better than before, but I'm still not sure. Headphone users, be careful. That thing sounds horrible. It sounds really risey still. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this little episode. Remember, I'm doing this just for fun, just to try to make the car look good. Sometimes when you try to make the car look good, it gets worse, but you know what I mean. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.